Hello guys, are you facing file uploading error during using WordPress on localhost Xampp like this? Oops, I can't upload a file that has a size larger than 41.9 MBs. Now question is how to solve it. So let's start. Step 1 is open the folder of Xampp. Here is the folder where my Xampp is installed. Now open htdocs. This. Now open the folder where your website is placed, and this is the folder of my website, my blog. Now open the file named .htaccess. Open it with any text editor, and here is Notepad++. And now copy and paste this PHP script. Copy and paste it before the end WordPress line here. Control V. And now press Ctrl S to save it. Now my problem has solved. Now I can upload any file that has larger size. I will provide this script to you under the description of my video. And now you can see upload theme, choose file, install now. And now you can see without any error the theme is being installed in my WordPress website. It will take execution time it depends on the power of your processor. And now you can see the file is being installed. After 1 or 2 or 3 minutes it will be completed. That's it. It was the solution. You can follow these 3 or 4 steps to solve your problem regarding file uploading size. Thank you.